empty.
Your homework is to make crafts from recycled materials. Let's make wonderful things using the recycled materials you've collected at home.
Okay!
Let's make the best robot in the universe!
Yeah, and let's make it a really big one!
Then, let's collect our materials and meet at the secret base.
Sure!
I looked through all the trash cans in my house, but all I found was this stuff. Me too.
Ta-da!
Did you rob a grocery store?
I just raided the pantry at home. If you don't have recycling, you just make some. Boys, it's snack time!
Awesome! Johnny, you rule!
Milk is good for your bones and teeth.
Wait, Jin!
Huh? Why, Amber?
Isn't that old milk?
Really? Oh, goodness, it's been expired a long time.
You must always check your food's expiration date. You can get a tummy ache if you eat food that's expired.
Okay, I'll be more careful next time.
Eat fast! More empty boxes, more robot parts.
Peter, you should wash your hands first.
It's all right, it's fine.
Peter, maybe use silverware like I do. Huh? Pudding? All right, I want some. Oh, my pudding! Custard pudding is too yummy to waste.
Ugh, dude, gross!
I can't eat another bite.
Charles,
Hey, you can't give up yet!
it's okay. I'll eat his share.
Huh?
I can eat like 3 times my weight and more. Super yum! Peter, what, you're done?
No, I'm not. I'm still starving. Tummy. I'm going to the restroom.
Johnny, are you all right?
Yeah. Except for this terrible stomach ache. That's nice.
Johnny! Peter, for the robot's legs, we'll use cans.
All right, then. Johnny, another can?
Yeah, sure. Coming right up, friend.
Oh,
Here.
good. That's one leg done. Johnny, we need one more can.
On the way. Oh, yeah.
Now we need to make the head.
Johnny, we need one more box.
Coming right up. This'll work great.
What's wrong, Johnny?
Ew, it tastes really weird.
Ugh. Take a look at this milk's expiration date.
Oh no, it expired over a month ago. You all right, Johnny?
I think I'm okay. Stomach! My stomach hurts bad!
Johnny!
Johnny, hang in there, pal.
Clear, Amber!
Then let's move out.
Johnny! Are you feeling better?
I'm just fine. Children, Johnny had a stomach ache because he drank some rotten milk.
He did?
Yes, I'll tell you how to keep from getting a stomach ache yourself. Listen up. Before you eat or drink anything, be sure to check the expiration date. And never eat or drink something that's sour or smells bad. If you eat something that fell on the floor, or if you eat with dirty hands, you can get sick. Get in the habit of washing your hands before you eat anything. And remember, boys, overeating can give you a bad stomach ache, too.
Yes, Amber.
Oh, yeah. How did our robot project turn out?
Come and see.
Oh, a robot
robot came in first place! Well, of course, because we're a great team.
It's really thanks to how much Johnny can eat.